Hello, this is Laura, and welcome to Become a Fluent English Speaker. Welcome to day 42 of your English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to work on something very special, making your English sound friendly, natural, and a little bit fun. Because real conversations are not always serious. Sometimes they are light, relaxed, and even a little humorous. Let me ask you something honestly. When you speak English, do you sound too serious or too formal? Do you feel like your conversations are correct, but not very interesting or friendly? That is what we're going to improve today. Today, you will learn how to sound more natural, more relaxed, and more enjoyable to talk to. Let me tell you something important. You do not need to be a comedian to use humor. Even simple, light expressions can make your English sound more human. Let's start with a simple idea. Use friendly reactions. For example, instead of saying only yes, say yeah, that sounds great, or that is nice, or that is interesting. These small changes make your tone more natural. Now let's go deeper. Use light humor. For example, if you are tired, you can't say I'm a bit tired today, but I'm still trying to stay productive. This adds personality. Now let's practice. Someone asks, "How is your day?" You respond, "It has been a busy day, but I am surviving and staying positive." This sounds friendly and real. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called friendly speaking. Take a simple sentence and make it more natural. For example, instead of saying, "I am learning English," say, "I am working on my English and trying to improve step by step." Add a relaxed tone. Now your second exercise is use soft expressions. Do not sound too direct. For example, instead of saying "this is difficult," say "this is a bit challenging." This makes your English more polite and friendly. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is respond with energy. Show interest when someone speaks. For example, "That sounds really interesting," or "That must be exciting." This creates connection. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone says, "I had a long day." You respond, "That sounds tiring, but I hope you can relax now." This is friendly and supportive. Now let's move to something powerful. Your fourth exercise is add personality. Speak in a way that shows who you are. For example, "I enjoy learning English, even though it can be challenging sometimes, but I like the process." This sounds natural. And now let me share something important. People enjoy talking to those who are friendly and easy to talk to. When your tone is relaxed, your English becomes more attractive. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 42. That means your English is not just fluent. It is becoming natural, friendly, and enjoyable. You're learning how to connect with people, not just communicate. This is a powerful skill. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. Speak for 1 minute about your day, but keep your tone friendly and relaxed. Start, "Today has been quite interesting." Continue, add simple humor or light expressions. Keep going. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Smile when you speak, even if no one can see you. It changes your voice and makes you sound more friendly. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone asks, "How is your English journey going?" You respond, "It has been a really interesting journey. Sometimes it feels challenging, but I enjoy the process and I feel like I am improving step by step." This is natural and friendly. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, "Day 42 complete," and this time, write one friendly sentence about your day. Keep it simple, but make it natural. This is Laura, and remember, real fluency is not just speaking. It is connecting with people in a friendly and natural way. I will see you in day 43. Keep going.